Let us talk about this now. The core of the Amway sales and marketing plan's income opportunity is retailing quality Amway products by you to your customers. As your Amway business grows, the rewards you earn will grow in proportion and you will earn money by generating retail customers and by encouraging others in your group to do the same. The Amway opportunity works in twofold, giving you a chance to build your own business at your pace and achieve the rewards and recognition linked to the plan, and at the same time, helping other people to do the same. In order to clearly understand how your commission would be calculated, let us understand some important terms. BV. The term BV means business volume. It is a figure on which all commissions are based. PV. The term PV means point value. It is a figure assigned to each product. PV determines your performance incentive level each month. Let us look now at the performance bonus and the award schedule. The performance bonus and award schedule, which is based on retailing of Amway products, is shown here. Let's take few practical examples to illustrate how Amway sales and marketing plan works. Since Amway business model is based on retailing of products, let's take a simple example of how you can reach a first performance bonus level of 6%, that is 300 PV. What you see here are the products in an average a normal family of 4 members would require every month. Approximately, every family requires products equivalent to 100 PV per month. Let's presume that you have 2 or 3 friends who are interested in buying Amway product and you make them your customers. So in order to meet the monthly requirements of your own, along with your friends, you can easily sell products worth 300 PV. What will be your earnings in this case? Let us calculate. 15,000 BV will earn you 300 PV, which makes you entitled for 6% commission payable at first level of 300 PV. With 20% of retail profits and additional 6% commission, your profit will be Rs 3,900. In this simple example, only 2 or 3 customers have been assumed. In real life, it is easier to get far more than 2 or 3 customers, thus increasing the scope of your earning. Amway Business Opportunity provides you a second option, wherein you can further grow your business by encouraging other like-minded people to do the same. That is, selling Amway products. Over a period of time, it is generally observed that your customers, acquaintances, friends, and relatives may also like to start their own Amway business. Amway grants to you the right to sponsor other people as your downline in your Amway business and grow your business. It is like having one shop or a number of shops. By sponsoring and teaching new Amway business owners to sell Amway products and keeping them motivated, you can further grow your business because, as per Amway sales and marketing plan, the business volume is calculated for distributor groups, which consist of you and people sponsored by you. Let us now take another example of you having sponsored 4 persons as Amway business owners and each of you doing a business of 300 PV. That is, purchasing Amway products worth BV of 15,000 in a month as shown here. In this example, the total sales turnover of the group is 75,000 BV, which is equal to 1500 PV. And the total performance bonus earned by a group is 9% of 75,000, which equals to Rs 6,750. The total performance bonus paid to your downlines A, B, C, and D will be 6% of their turnover, that is Rs 60,000, which will equal to Rs 3,600. The bonus which you will get paid will be the difference of the group's total performance bonus, that is rupees 6,750, and the total bonus paid to your downlines, that is rupees 3,600, which will equal to rupees 3,150. Adding 20% retail profit margin on your personal business volume, your total earning in this case for the month will be rupees 6,150. Let us now take another example in which X, an Amway business owner, has sponsored 4 other persons as Amway business owners A, B, C and D, who in turn have sponsored other persons as their downline Amway business owners, as shown here. In this example, a X business owner does a personal business of 1000 PV, that is 50,000 BV. The group turnover of A and B are 2000 PV, that is 1 lakh BV each. Group C's turnover is 1000 PV, that is 50,000 BV. And Group D's turnover is 4000 PV, that is 2 lakh BV. In this example, the Amway business owner reaches 21% commission level, which is the maximum commission paid by Amway on purchase of Amway products for sales. Then, total sales turnover of X's group is rupees 5 lakh, which equals to 10,000 PV. Thus, the commission level for the group at 10,000 PV is equal to 21%. Total group commission at 21% of 5 lakh is equal to rupees 1 lakh 5,000. Commission earned by A's group at 12% of 1 lakh is equal to rupees 12,000. Commission earned by B's group at 12% of 1 lakh is equal to rupees 12,000. Commission earned by C's group at 9% of 50,000 is equal to rupees 4,500. Commission earned by D's group at 15% of 2 lakh is equal to rupees 30,000. Therefore, the net commission earned by X will be equal to the difference of the group's commission and the total commission of downline groups. Thus, X will receive a commission of rupees 46,500. Retail profit margin on X's personal business is 20% of 50,000, which is equal to rupees 10,000. Then X's total monthly earnings will be rupees 56,500. Isn't this inspiring?